What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your wheel hubs on the trailer. You can see this one is blown out. Quick, easy fix. This slide right off like that. Cotter pin here. Like so. Now these wheel hub nuts shouldn't be on tight like this one. This one's pretty loose. Let's get my fingers dirty real quick. That off. Look at that, huh? No bueno. Sure you get all this stuff out of there. Alright, so this ain't coming off. Oh, there it goes. Off. Off. And just clean that up a little bit. Inspect it. Looks alright. Let's go to the other side real quick. Now the other side, the cap isn't blown out because it's still okay, but we're gonna replace this one anyway. So what you gotta do is pop this cap off. Put the camera down for a second. You'll see, take a flat head, a little tap, tap. This is what you would do too. Take this cap off and put grease in if you're gonna grease your hubs. Look how beautiful that one looks. Same thing. Got these other ones. Feed it down there. Actually, let me take the tire off. Says you don't want these things on tight. If not, the the hub will heat up. There she is. Alright, so I just got back from Ames trailer. Got ourselves a new galvanized hub kit. Hub kit comes with the cap, the studs, or lug nuts I should say, cotter pin, and the hub. The only thing it doesn't come with is the washer nut. So we're gonna reuse that. So yeah. Let's get to it. Well, all we gotta do here, it's already greased up. Just slide her on in. Come on. Get your little butt in there. There you go. Like so. Like this. Now, like I said, you don't want this tight, but you also don't want it loose. That's why I'm not putting a socket or a wrench to it. If not, the hub's gonna get hot and heat up. So I'll put that through there. The cotter pin through. Tap it on in, like so. Our grease. Pop that off there. Take our cap and literally just fill that bad boy up. Oh, nice. Like so. And get that cap put on there. Go. Alright. Put a little bit of never sees on the studs. Oh shit. Studs on. And that, my folks, is how you change a wheel hub on a trailer. That simple. With that being said, like and subscribe, and have a good blessed day, y'all.